So hello friends, welcome back in my new video. So guys, today our topic is how to detect fire alarms and other noises with sound recognition in iOS 14. You can now receive a visual notification on your iPhone or iPad if a fire alarm, siren, doorbell, baby's cry or other important sound occurs. Apple has continually enhanced the iPhone and iPad with accessibility features designed to help people with certain disabilities. One unique tool introduced in iOS 14 and iPad OS 14 is sound recognition, geared for people who are deaf or hard of hearing. This new feature notifies you if your device detects a certain sound. The sound recognition feature can detect a variety of noises including a fire alarm, siren, smoke alarm, a cat or dog, an appliance, a car horn, a doorbell, a knock on the door, water running and a baby crying. The idea is that if you can't hear the sound yourself, your device can. When it hears a specific sound, it will then display a visual notification to alert you. Of course, there are some limitations to this feature. For sound recognition to work, your device needs to be close enough to detect the sound. If you are in the other room and there is a knock on your door, your device probably won't be sensitive enough to detect it. When sound recognition is turned on, you can't activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri." You will have to turn it off to activate Siri by voice. Enable sound recognition. Before you can use sound recognition, update your device operating system to make sure you are running iOS 14, iPad OS 14 or higher. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to perform the update. You will be told that your software is up to update or permitted to install the latest update. You can enable sound recognition by going to Settings, Accessibility, Sound Recognition and turning on the switch for sound recognition. Sound notification. Next, tap the option for sounds to choose which sounds you want your device to identify. Turn on the switch next to the any sound for which you want to receive a notification. Test the feature first to make sure it works. Ring your own doorbell, honk your car's horn, or even test your smoke alarm. If the sound is detected, a notification appears at the top of your screen. If you are satisfied that sound notification is working, you can now position your device near any potential source of sound and wait for a notification to appear. Keep in mind that a feature like sound notification relies on artificial intelligence to detect certain noises, so it won't always be perfect. The feature may fail to detect certain noises depending on your device's location and the volume of the noise. It may even fail to correctly identify the right noise. For those reasons, you don't want to rely on sound notification as your only form of aid, especially in the event of an emergency such as a smoke or fire alarm going off. You can, however, use this tool as a supplemental means of support if you have trouble hearing certain sounds on your own. So guys, let's move to the next topic. iPhone accessibility tip: how to hear words on your screen with VoiceOver. VoiceOver is an accessibility feature that can describe text, apps, icons or other items that appear on an iPhone or iPad screen for those with a vision impairment or low vision. Apple offers a variety of accessibility options on the iPhone and iPad, including VoiceOver, which can read aloud elements on the screen for those who are blind or have poor vision. With VoiceOver enabled, you can hear a description of everything on your screen, hear your own words spoken aloud as you type, and navigate your device through audible cues that respond to where and how you place your finger. VoiceOver supports more than 30 languages including English, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Arabic, Polish, Portuguese, Russian and Swedish, and works with all built-in apps as well as variety of third-party ones. voice over in iOS 14 and iPad 14. I hope guys you enjoy this video. So guys, in next video, take care, goodbye.